Treadmills are versatile cardio machines that simulate walking, jogging, or running indoors, making them ideal for all fitness levels. Most models feature adjustable speed and incline settings, allowing users to customize intensity. Advanced treadmills often include heart rate monitors, built-in workout programs, and touchscreen displays with entertainment options. So, in today's video, we're going to talk about the 4 best treadmills in 2025. For more information and up-to-date prices about the product we mentioned in the video, we also added the links in the description box below. To start our list, we're talking about the Horizon Fitness T101 series, our pick for the best budget treadmill. Out of the box, you'll notice its sleek profile, a low-slung running deck measuring 20 by 55 inches, framed in matte black steel rails and a contrasting silver console mast. The console itself angles toward you at about 30 degrees, making it easy to see your metrics at a glance. Horizon's Featherlight folding mechanism lets the deck lift vertically with minimal effort, so when you're done, it occupies just 33 inches of floor depth instead of 71. At 182 pounds assembled, it feels rock solid underfoot. Yet, the one-step hydraulic latch lets you fold and unfold it smoothly without wrestling with the frame. Now, let's dive into what makes the T101 the best budget treadmill. First, setup is a breeze. Most buyers have it up and running in under 30 minutes with just basic tools. The standout easy dial controls on the console let you adjust speed from 0.5 up to 10 miles per hour and incline from 0 to 10% with simple forward and back rotary dials. No button mashing or menus to scroll through mid-workout. Under the deck, Horizon's variable response cushioning deck absorbs impact at heel strike and springs back at toe off, reducing joint stress whether you're power walking or sprinting. The motor runs at a lower RPM by using a higher gear ratio, so it stays ultra quiet. Perfect if you live in an apartment or have family reading next to the TV room. Tech-wise, the console features integrated Bluetooth speakers and a device holder, so you can stream your favorite playlist or follow along with a virtual class without juggling your phone. There's even a rapid charge USB port to keep your device topped up, plus an audio in and out jack for wired connections. Heart rate contact grips and a built-in fan with 2 speed settings add a touch of convenience. And the water-resistant surface on the console wipes clean after sweaty runs. In short, the Horizon Fitness T101 balances sturdy design, user-friendly controls, and smart cushioning, all at a price that won't break the bank, making it the best budget treadmill on the market. Next up, let's take a closer look at the Soul Fitness F80, our pick treadmill for easiest to move around. Right off the bat, you'll notice its solid, commercial-grade frame finished in sleek charcoal gray with silver accents. The deck spans a generous 22 by 60 inches, giving ample room for long strides, and the side rails are wide and textured for secure mounting on and off. The console mast angles toward you at a comfortable 25 degrees, supporting a large 10.1-inch touchscreen that's framed by sturdy, easy-reach handles. Despite its robust build, the F80 uses Soul's Easy Lift Assist, so the deck folds up smoothly with minimal effort, perfect for shifting it out of the way when you need more floor space. Now, let's talk about what makes the F80 stand out as the easiest treadmill to move around. First, Soul equips it with transport wheels that glide effortlessly, so once the deck is folded, you can pivot the entire unit like a rolling suitcase, no heavy lifting required. That fold and roll combo means you reclaim floor real estate in seconds. Under the hood, you get a powerful 3.5 horsepower motor that supports speeds from a gentle 0.5 miles per hour up to a sprinting 12 miles per hour. Paired with a 15-level power incline, you can simulate everything from flat road jogs to steep hill climbs, all adjusted right from the console or the dual-action handlebars. The deck itself features Soul's proprietary Cushion Flex Whisper deck, which dampens up to 40% of the impact compared to running on asphalt, so your joints stay protected whether you're tackling a marathon pace or just a brisk walk. On the tech side, the 10.1-inch touchscreen display integrates Bluetooth for streaming both audio and workout data to your favorite fitness apps, and you can connect wireless heart rate chest straps or wrist monitors for real-time metrics. The console also houses 10 built-in workout programs, from HIIT and fat burning to endurance runs, and lets you customize and save your own routines. Finally, dual cooling fans, an accessory tray, and 2 water bottle holders round out the comfort and convenience features. In summary, the Soul F80 combines a rugged, user-friendly design with effortless folding and rolling, powerful performance, and smart features, making it the easiest to move treadmill without sacrificing a true gym quality experience. And now we're going to talk about the BowFlex T10 series, our pick for the best quiet treadmill. At first glance, it presents a slim modern profile with a narrow 22-inch deck that's just 6 inches off the ground, so you don't feel like you're stepping into a cockpit. The side rails are extended forward beneath the console, creating ergonomic grips at 2 heights, perfect for stability during steep inclines. The console itself is a 10-inch touchscreen tilted at a 30-degree angle, framed by a minimalist black bezel and slim steel supports, giving the whole unit a sleek, space-efficient footprint that fits neatly into any home gym. Now, let's talk about what makes the T10 the best quiet treadmill. First, the 2.5 horsepower motor runs at lower RPMs thanks to BowFlex's high gear ratio, so you get a whisper quiet experience, even at top speeds. You can dial speed from 0.5 up to 12 miles per hour and adjust incline from -5%, decline up to a 15% incline with the simple press of a button on the console or extended handlebars. The deck features cushcore cushioning for silent, low-impact strides, absorbing noise and shock so you barely hear or feel your foot strikes. Bluetooth-enabled speakers wrap you in stereo sound without rattling, and the included heart rate armband streams real-time data to the console, keeping your metrics front and center without cord clutter. With your 2-month JRNY All-Access trial, you gain adaptive workouts that adjust to your pace and goals, plus the ability to stream Netflix or Prime directly on the console, so workouts fly by. You can also explore over 200 virtual courses from alpine trails to city streets, complete with dynamic incline changes for immersive training. And every step, every mile, every personal best is automatically tracked in the Journey dashboard, giving you a complete picture of your progress, all while maintaining that near-silent operation. In summary, the BowFlex T10's refined design, industry-leading cushioning, and ultra-quiet motor, combined with smart JRNY integration, make it the top choice for anyone seeking a silent, immersive home treadmill experience. Last on our list, we're talking about the NordicTrack Commercial 1750 series, our pick for the best treadmill overall. At its core is a sturdy steel frame finished in sleek charcoal gray with gloss black accents, giving it that premium gym quality look. The deck spans a generous 22 inches by 60 inches, supported by space-efficient side drive rollers that keep the unit just 36 inches deep when unfolded. Towering above is a 14-inch full-color touchscreen, mounted on an articulating arm that tilts up and down and pivots 90 degrees. So whether you're running or doing off-treadmill strength moves, you'll always have the perfect viewing angle. When workouts wrap up, the space-saver design lets you fold the deck up vertically with a simple easy lift assist, and integrated transport wheels let you roll it out of the way in seconds. Now, let's dive into why this is our pick for best treadmill overall. First up is the iFit integration. With a Pro subscription, you unlock over 10,000 trainer-led workouts, global studio classes, and automatic smart adjust, where the treadmill itself shifts incline and speed to match your coach's cues. Speaking of incline, the 1750 offers a -3% decline up to 12% incline via one-touch controls, so you can select exact grades or speeds instantly with a single tap. No endless button mashing mid-run. Runner's flex cushioning underfoot absorbs impact on every stride and springs back for energy return, protecting your joints whether you're hammering out sprints or logging long miles. And when you need a break between intervals, the dual auto breeze fans kick in automatically, ramping up airflow as your heart rate climbs. The 14-inch touchscreen does more than stream iFit. You can pivot it 180 degrees to follow off-machine workouts, directly from your console. Heart rate-driven active pulse mode uses your Bluetooth monitor to adjust intensity on the fly, keeping you squarely in your fat-burning or cardio zone. In short, the NordicTrack Commercial 1750 combines premium cushioning, immersive smart coaching, and effortless storage, earning its title as the best treadmill overall.